Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for this video. Today I'll be showing you how I get these beachy waves using a flat iron, and this is also a collaboration with ASAVEA. Now, if you're not familiar with ASAVEA, it's a beauty brand focuses on hair styling tools. They sell flat irons, hair straightening brushes, and curling irons. They combine innovative technology, fashionable design, and efficiency to create products that will keep your hair gorgeous and healthy. The product I have is called Vibrating Flat Iron. I think this is the new trend. It vibrates when you glide your hair through the plates, and the purpose of vibration is to minimize the damage while straightening the hair quickly. This also has negative ion technology for eliminating frizz, making your hair shiny and hydrated, as the outer layer lies smoothly, trapping in the moisture for healthy hair. Enough of me rambling on about this flat iron, so let's get started. I have natural wavy hair, but I straightened it yesterday and now I decided to go for a beachy waves effect today. I'm gonna start combing my hair to ensure there's no any tangles. This will make the procedure a lot easier. Then next, I'm gonna put some of this leave-in conditioner by DEUX YEOZA. This is gonna keep my hair in good condition, and it also prevents damaging my hair from flat iron. And now I'm just gonna separate my hair into two sections. Then I'm gonna take my hair into two sections again, and what I'm gonna do next is just simply braid it. You can also do the twisting method, but my hair is stubborn, so that thing didn't work for me. Then I'm just gonna do the same thing in every sections. Now my hair is braided, I'm gonna take my flat iron. This heats up quickly and I put it in 360 Fahrenheit, but it gets up to 460 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm starting from the top and just hold it for 5 to 10 seconds, then work my way down slowly. I'm just letting it cool down and just going to loosen the curls. And that's it guys, it's very quick and easy. It only takes you 5 minutes to do this. And here's the most exciting part, you get a chance to win this fabulous flat iron for yourself. So if you're interested to enter this giveaway, the link will be down below, and just follow all the steps, and that's how simple it is. The giveaway will end in 3 weeks. I hope you guys will participate, and good luck to everyone. See you next time. Bye!